Today, I'm going to show you an easy exercise to help you improve your dexterity on the saxophone. Hi, my name is Yannick and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about music, but most importantly, I show you all kinds of tips for the saxophone. So don't hesitate to subscribe if you want to make quick progress. In today's video, I'm going to show you a little exercise to help you develop your dexterity, but you can also use this exercise as a warm-up. Another great thing about this exercise is that it will get you practicing your major scales in all keys. So let me show you right away what it is. It's super simple. Basically, what we're going to do is take the first 5 notes of each major scale. So if we start in C, we'll play C, D, E, F, G, and then go back down G, F, E, D, C. And we just keep doing that, C to G, G to C. It goes like this. So that's for C. Next, what you're going to do is move to C sharp. So C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, then back down F sharp, E sharp, D sharp, C sharp. Next in D, D, E, F sharp, G, A, then back down G, F sharp, E, D. Next, the following one will be E flat, F, G, a flat, B flat, back down a flat, G, F, E flat. The goal of the exercise, actually, is to do it non-stop. So I start with the C scale, C sharp, D, D sharp, and so on. It'll sound like this. And so on. Here, I went from C to D sharp, but you should do it across your whole instrument. Actually, if you want to use it as an exercise, or if you just want to use it as a warm-up, you can stick to just a few scales. By the way, I want to mention that if you don't know all your major scales very well, and you want to learn them, I've made a series of videos. Actually, it's a playlist you can find on my channel that covers all the major scales on the saxophone. So I invite you to go check that out. I'll put the link in the description. I'll also add another link to a sheet where all the scales are written out, which you can also download for free. What I recommend you do at first is practice it with a metronome very, very slowly. You can even set it to 60 and play 8th notes. And once you're comfortable, then you can increase the tempo. Because it's a dexterity exercise. So what we want to practice are all the little imperfections we make when playing pieces. Right now, today, we're just focusing on dexterity. So we want it to be perfect. So you set it to 60, and when you're comfortable, 62, 64, and so on. And if you do this every day, you'll notice that your metronome will go faster and faster, and you'll find it easier and easier. That's just a sign, basically, that you're improving. I'll also give you a tip that one of my teachers gave me several years ago, and it really helped me work on my dexterity. That is, when you're having trouble playing a phrase evenly at a given tempo, what you can do is swing the 8th notes. That is, let's say it's not going well for me in F. So F, G, A, B flat, C. Let's say I'm struggling like that. I'm exaggerating a bit here. What I can do, instead of playing it evenly like this, I'm going to swing the 8th notes. So. And so on. And then, once you've really mastered that, you'll try it evenly again. By changing up the rhythm, your fingers will get used to playing those notes without you even realizing it. And when you go back to doing the exercise evenly like we've been doing, you'll find it easier. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and that it will help you develop your dexterity on the saxophone. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you're interested in this kind of content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.